Billy Jack on location, Honolulu, Hawaii. This time in front of the Honolulu Museum of Art School. According to Wikipedia, it claims to have been built in 1908. However, upon close examination, there seems to be quite something else going on. First thing that would catch your attention are the windows at ground level. However, this raised front staircase is beautiful. If you look over to the other side, you can clearly see the angle, or the gradient, whatever you call that. The angle is much higher or deeper on the right hand side, on the southern side, than on the northern side. I love the archwork on this building. On this building we have the lighter shade of the geopoly. However, instead of the red mortar in between, this time we have, the first time I've seen this, the black color in between the blocks. Very different than the original one's the red. This doesn't appear to have the striations however it does on the inside. It doesn't seem to have it on the outer edges of it. I'm not sure why. However, there does seem to be very large gaps beneath the black mortar they've used on here. So you can see, looks like a good 5 feet exposed right here. Goes all the way to the other side. It's not quite as much. It appeared to me that the sediment would have come from the other side of that building right there all the way down. As you can see, the windows are barely visible over here on this side. I'm going for the 1908 as being the remodeling date on the building, and not the actual build itself. Look at that, they even got that window plugged up. Billy Jack over and out.